questions, you will be here forever.
Alright then, hit me.
There will be 5 questions. You have to answer all 5 questions right, and you will be free. First question is a first time an invention or an innovation.
That's easy, it's innovation.
Second question, what is an innovation called?
It is called starting. I just love that name. It just sounds amazing.
Third question, describe your innovation.
Sparkling ensure clean water and boost public health.
Fourth question, originality of your innovation.
Startling sits at the bottom of the water sources and uses bubble to push water up for filtration. Sensor check the pollution level, showing red for dirty and green for clean, and also measure turbidity of water.
Final question, how does your innovation solve the problem?
Remove sediments, chemicals, heavy metals, and germs to prevent illness and protect ecosystems. This provides clean water for both healthy aquatic life and safe drinking, boosting public health and quality of life.
Impossible, but a promise is a promise.
Me Darwish. Now I'll be explaining about how does our project starting work. So firstly, the water will enter into this first filter, and then will be gathered into this tub. After that, this turbidity sensor will detect the turbidity level of the water, which will then be shown onto the screen. Beside the screen, there are two lights. The red implies that the water is dirty, and the green implies that the water is clean. Once again into the tub, there is a motor here which will then send the water up to this tube into the second filter. And then again there's another motor which will send the water up to this tube and out of this pipe, which will then bring out clean water. Thank you very much.
Hi, it's me Habib. I will be explaining about the scientific principle of starting. Let's answer some questions. First question. What are the scientific principles involved in water purification and how do they work? Optical turbidity measurement detecting the amount of ion light, scattered light, providing an indication of water turbidity. Secondly, water purification mechanism remove contaminants from water. This mechanism ensures that the water is safe for consumption and reduce environmental impact. Second question. What are some of the primary purposes of water purification? To provide clean drinking water and maintenance for medical, pharmacological, chemical, and industrial applications. Third question. Explain the case studies about water purification. In rural Cambodia, biocide filters are widely used for their simplicity and effectiveness in removing germs. However, starting provides a more advanced option that quickly detects and reports water quality changes.
Startling benefit. Public health impact. Cleaner water lowers the chance of waterborne disease, leading to better health and fewer medical costs. It also means less exposure to harmful pollution and promoting healthier living. Community impact. Cleaner water bodies boost tourism and recreational activities. It helps the local economy grow, creates jobs, and bring in more money for residents.
Hi, I'm Darwish and I will be explaining about the marketing potential of startup. It is an advanced water filter with AI technology. It detects contaminants and measures water quality in real time, providing both purification and monitoring in one device. We aim to sell startling to water companies and group tracking pollutions in rivers, ponds, or oceans. It's also useful for tourism business in areas with rivers and waterfall where water quality changes often. Startling is priced at Rm 2500, reflecting its advanced features and critical need for clean water. Our goal is to provide a reliable source of clean water for a healthier future.
Hi, it's me Bimal again, and I'm going to be explaining about the environmental impact and practicality and improvement of starting. Environmental impact removes pollutants and debris from waterways, preserves aquatic ecosystems, and supports biodiversity, maintains ecological balance, and ensures sustainable management of water resources.